What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Given the situation of things, we could see that the volatility in the market right now is very crazy, especially given the fact that the whole Michael Saylor selling a total sum of over $200 million worth of Bitcoin and more Bitcoins to be sold in the future. It got people panicking, but at the end of the day, it seems market makers, had to manipulate the markets, ended up probably just manipulating the market by, using that as an opportunity to liquidate a lot of shorts. So, I think this is definitely what is happening right now. We are the face of volatility. So, even I myself, I was also caught in that short trap. I was really trapped because I was making money and all of a sudden everything just flipped 360. Everything flipped negative. So that is definitely the situation of things right now. If you watched my previous video, especially from the 4 hours time frame, you could see that after we broke out of this resistance right here, after we broke this resistance 62,600, we found support around here regardless, jokingly, and you could see us rallying all the way into $65,000. Maybe this is definitely what we the resistance we are probably targeting at the moment. So right now I can't really say much about what is obviously going on in the market right now, but what I can say for sure is that from the daily time frame right here, there are two major scenarios I think will play out. It's either, since we've broken out of this resistance right here at $60,285, since we've broken out of this resistance from the daily time frame, I think we should definitely be expecting some level of correction all the way to this level at 60,700 or $60,825. Once we're able to find support around this level, we can probably rally all the way to $65,000, because looking at this from the weekly time frame right here, we could see that we are majorly finding a support around this major trend line right here, which I think is obviously good. But from the daily time frame, to some extent, we really do need to find support around that level. So this week right here, that is actually like that we had yesterday, this week to the downside, I think it's probably shouldn't be ignored, because I don't ignore weeks like this. Weeks like this shouldn't be ignored. So I think we are most likely going to pull back before rallying all the way to $65,000. And if we can't pull back, we could end up, if we can't pull back before it moves to the upside, we are probably going to keep on dumping, retesting, making lower lows until we drop all the way down to $51,000 level. So I think this is definitely what we should have in mind right now for Bitcoin, because looking at the other chart right here, we could see that Bitcoin is still doing very well. We almost hit this major resistance at 64,800, but we didn't. And we could also see that even if I bring these two major patterns out, this was definitely what played out the last time I made a video right here. I made it known to us that we are most likely going to see some major correction to this level or support around this level, which is at $62,350 level, or we could see a pullback all the way down to this level at 60,900 or 61,000. So you could see this was majorly what practically happened. So I think right now what we need to ask ourselves is, okay, is Bitcoin looking bearish right now? The truth of the matter is no, it is not looking bearish, because obviously we haven't broken below this major level right here at $62,353. We are not looking bearish because we are still trading above this major level. So you could see it right here. We are still trading above this level. So there could be a chance that we could see Bitcoin still running all the way to 64,900. Maybe we get a fake out and we dump even much lower. I honestly do not know how that is going to go, or if this is not going to be the case, then we are most likely going to break out of here and rally even much higher. Either of this we play out, and I'll definitely be here to let each and every one of us know. So I think for now I'm still short because my positions were left open, because I didn't even place any stop loss. That is very stupid to do, but I didn't place any stop loss. I wasn't expecting the volatility, but here we are looking at the USDT dominance right here. We could see that the USDT dominance is still, should I say, looking for a way, just like what I actually said in my previous video. I made it known to us that the USDT dominance is most likely going to retest here before probably dumping lower, and we could see this was obviously what happened, especially from the 4 hours time frame. We retested and we got rejected from that with a week. And right now it all depends on how the market goes. This market is really volatile at the moment, and even yesterday we could see that the crude oil is actually gaining strength again. We've broken this downtrend and we are most likely rallying towards the upside. So this could be something serious happening to the risk on assets, which is obviously crypto or even stock. So I think the equity. So I think we should probably be careful right now, because the volatility that is about to happen right now in the market is definitely going to be crazy. So we could see it clearly right here. Majority of the market is actually down. Most of the gains that were made yesterday have actually been lost, if we are to be honest. So I think this is just all I can say for now. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.